Yo, ebusuayan wa kwaba biom about the fabulous zone. So the promise say the profile of the newly appointed coach and here reports say Kotoko newly appointed coach I friend Mariano Barreto no yɛ the profile be bro na obi anso hu teams ben na wa manage ewo ne career mu share professional coaching ase no yan share some of the teams that were coaching na it will surprise you say coach we were back Ghana that abe the head coach for our senior national team the Black Stars 2003 and 2004 season like the period of 2003-2004 no coach we be head coach Emma Black Stars of Ghana. Yeah, share some of the teams our coaching aside say or the Ghana football Ghana coaching no a baby you know. Yeah, share some of the teams our coaching. In 2004-2005 that's free Ghana Black Stars no 2004-2005 the next team our coaching you know Maritimo club we Portuguese club more the Premier League no into coach our coaching the Portugal Premier League club there you should know say coach no for when kwa dey say onye nkwala coach sir Portugal Premier League Portuguese Premier League sorry coach we okochi Maritimo FC in 2005 also other coach Al Nassr FC Al Nassr almost Saudi Arabia Al Nassr almost the Premier League of Saudi Arabia ewo honum 2005-2006 ofi Al Nassr no oko Dynamo Moscow with the club will be in Dynamo Moscow Russia but not a assistant coach Dynamo Moscow as assistant coach Russia in 2006-2007 ofi eko Naval Di Maio and also Portuguese League sorry to say the Premier League no more Division 1 omo relegation but omo call another coach yeah in 2007-2008 okokochi AEL Lamisol omo so Cyprus AEL Lamisol omo Cyprus omo so omo top club Cyprus Premier League no omo previous winners omo GGBia Lamisol AEL Lamisol in 2009 coach if you ho esako Kuban Krasnodar yeah and also Russia but also no as assistant coach Kuban Krasnodar hey Charlie team we din the easy also assistant coach in 2009-2011 La Creativo du Libulo in 2011-2013 ofiho ako Al Qadisiyah and also Saudi Arabia Al Qadisiyah hey ebejo in 2014-2015 coach osa efiho ako Ethiopia the Ethiopian national team no efan as head coach Ethiopia national team okoye head coach in 2016-2018 and also okoye head coach of Stambras Lithuania enti ni profile kakra yenya and the previous teams our coach that when career mo no ene dey atudwa no picture no da mo betimi nya time na mo amahwe me na o screen so no na per teams here our coach no I think say coaching a club like Asante Kotoko no it is not above him or beyond him because Osha Obia wetimi a coach a club Portuguese Premier League there he should be able to coach Kotoko Dynamo Moscow as assistant coach he should be able to coach Kumasi Asante Kotoko wetimi a coach the Black Stars of Ghana then he should be able to coach Kumasi Asante Kotoko if only you be German in Juma dia me make us a coach or a grade B coach who you top coaches ni free hop Pep Guardiola and the Mourinho money ade ni free wa obeti me coach we abesha kakra because we coach the Black Stars of Ghana and other big clubs there ni profile ni there onye coach a make us yakofa nkwanchen coach or ni CV mu efe it mu manfa all the support he will need no yemfa enter ni chi na oba onye successful Kumasi Asante Kotoko ade ba ko high de bia team ne se ekonomi bibia da hope na ya kasa yakọ press the self distraction back to me yakọ press so na team no bibia hyase ese muma yen jana coach no ba onye na dwuma won jana twa gbege we yakam we team na mo wona se na mo kika nsam enye no kre muma yen jana yen push coach no na coach we dey jana pedigree no obetimi ahandle Kumasi Asante Kotoko yefa munsi ase yebesa ahwe ne achievement nyoma ben na wajeje ne trophies awaje den okọ class we dia na otimi ne omogye yebeye ho special video na dia brem na obi ehu ne yie coach no say the performance esitie yefa munsi ase na next time yeba mo be hu more about this coach for Porcupines by Porcupines.